Samsung will officially unveil the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5 later this month during the Galaxy Unpacked event, which Samsung has confirmed itself. The new high-end foldable devices will reportedly pack new cameras and display technologies, and they'll also fix some of the most complained about issues we had about them in the past. Here's everything we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. We collected all of the leaks and rumors into one place to give you a detailed breakdown of what we expect to see in the new premium flagship. And here's the price, availability, specifications, display, camera, and battery information we have so far. The Galaxy Fold 5 will look nearly identical to last year's Galaxy Z Fold 4, and the phone will reportedly have almost similar dimensions. There are also rumors that Samsung might use a water drop-shaped hinge design that will finally let the device close completely shut, removing the need to have a gap in the middle of the device when folded. Aside from the new hinge mechanism, the Fold 5 will reportedly have the same displays and the same camera island on the back, featuring 3 sensors. The device will keep the fingerprint sensor, power button, and volume rocker on the right side, and will almost certainly see the stereo speaker setup return on the 2023 flagship. Unfortunately, the Fold 5 will not have a dedicated S Pen slot, therefore we'll likely see a similar first-party case from Samsung that will accompany the flagship with the stylus. The new flagship will also retain its IPX8 water resistance certificate, and it'll be able to withstand water. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will reportedly sport the same 6.2-inch cover display and 7.6-inch main screen on the inside and outside, suggesting that Samsung will keep the aspect ratio without increasing the width. The news might be disappointing for those who were seeking a wider and shorter display on the 2023 flagship. Fortunately, there are some good news. While the size might remain the same this year, Samsung is rumored to use a new water drop-shaped hinge mechanism that could make the crease less noticeable. The new hinge wouldn't make the crease disappear or become less noticeable, but it could also help make the device slimmer and, finally, gapeless. Samsung always had a large gap in its Fold series, and the Fold 5 could be the first in the series to close fully, making it less prone to scratches and accidental damage from objects getting between the screen. The upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5 is rumored to get same camera sensor. Yogesh Brar previously claimed that Samsung would equip the Fold 5 with a 50-megapixel primary, a 12-megapixel ultrawide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor, the same exact setup that's already on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. It would be disappointing to see the same camera array on the latest foldable, but as always, we recommend you take this with a pinch of salt. We don't have much information about the battery capacity of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Previous reports claim that Samsung could keep the same 4,400 mAh cell for the Fold 4, and given that the device will reportedly have the same dimensions as its predecessor, this seems like a probable outcome. As for the charging technology, Samsung is once again expected to keep the same slow 25-watt charging standard. The phone will support wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. Specifications-wise, we're expecting the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to come equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, or an even newer Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2. Whatever the case is, both chips offer the latest and the greatest and are the best chips currently available on the market with great efficiency and performance scores. We also expect to see 12 GB of RAM and 256,512 GB and 1 TB storage tiers. The storage could receive an upgrade from UFS 3.1 to UFS 4.0, as seen in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but it's too early to tell whether those predictions are accurate. The $1,800 price tag of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is a lot to consider. The foldable form factor is no more a niche segment. There are better designed foldables like the Oppo Find N2 at a cheaper price tag than the Fold 4. Samsung's high prices were easier to justify with the Z Fold 2 and original Galaxy Fold, but it's time we see prices become somewhat reasonable. It's not usual for a company to drop the price of its next iteration, and I'd love to see a less expensive Fold 5. It has confirmed that the event will take place in Seoul, South Korea. This would be the first time the company is holding a global launch event in South Korea. Anyhow, guys, the launch of Foldable is less than a month away. We expect some more leaks and rumors, so if you wanted to keep yourself updated, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Peace out.